This is a discussion on the price elasticity of demand and elasticity in general. Elasticity in general, really what it comes down to, there are different types that we refer to. In this case, we're looking at price elasticity of demand or movement along the demand curve, how it's affected by price changes is really what it comes down to. And the actual relationship is, again, looking down here, it's quantity demanded 1 minus quantity demanded 2 divided by quantity demanded 1, meaning the change in the quantity demanded over a similar price change, moving from P1 to P2. So P1 minus P2 divided by P1. Again, technically, the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in the price. So it's the change in demand over the change in price that we're looking at. So backing up, looking at the illustration here, this will help clarify things a bit. It's important to understand the relationship in terms of the formula, but just the same, what we're talking about movement again along the demand curve. So if this represents this point here represents the midpoint along the demand curve, meaning it's bisecting, cutting in half the demand curve, and this goes for all demand curves, and when we're looking at that midpoint or the unitary elastic point as it's called. And if we're below this point, and we'll be getting to this in the next little presentation, we talk about total revenue, is that we're looking in what's referred to as the inelastic range. And what the inelastic range means is that when you have a price change, meaning an increase in price, an increase in price within the inelastic range, in this case moving from S1 to S2, you would have an increase in revenue. Now, keep this in mind. As a producer, supplier, or whatnot, all you're concerned about really is increasing revenue, because your profit it's equivalent to revenue minus expense. Again, revenue minus expense equals profit. So what you're most concerned about is increasing revenue, even though the law of demand, as the law of demand stipulates, the higher the price, the reduced amount of quantity demanded at that price, at the given price. However, you as a producer, as a business, all you're really concerned about is increasing your revenue. So this is maximizing your revenue or increasing your revenue, moving from S1 to S2. This area is called the inelastic range. What that means is that it's less price sensitive in terms of enhancing revenue. So you could have price increases within this inelastic. If your business, your enterprise is within this inelastic range, then you could, so long as you remain within the inelastic range or don't